How to solve connection refused on getsockopt. On your Windows laptop, click the Start menu or the search icon to bring up the search box. In the search box, type Control Panel and select it from the search results. In the Control Panel window, click on System and Security. Within the System and Security menu, you will see a list of options. Click on Windows Defender Firewall. In the left-hand menu of the Windows Defender Firewall window, click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. A list of applications will appear. To make changes, you must click the Change Settings button in the top right corner. Tap on Change Settings and find java.exe file and enable it. After you have enabled the file by checking the boxes, click OK to save your changes. Your firewall will now allow the application to connect to the network, and the connection refused error should be resolved.